is what does he or she have? Okay, let's have here example number one. He has some chalk, right?
Yes.
Now it's your turn. Number two, please, Eva.
She has some paper.
Very good. She has some paper. How about number three?
What does she have?
She she
Yes.
has
She has some
some
scissors.
Caesar. Number four,
What does she has some paint.
she has some paint. Good job. How about number five, Eva?
He has
Mhm.
some glue.
He has some glue. Great job. Now let's have here number six. Number six.
She
Mhm.
she she has a paint, a crayon,
Number six is
paint.
he has
He
some
has some
string.
string.
All right, good job. He has some string.